Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore water damage remediation steps with Servpro, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing the extent of the water damage. Identify the source of the water intrusion and stop it if possible. Document the damage with photographs for insurance purposes. Remove standing water using pumps or wet vacuums. Ensure safety by turning off electricity in the affected area. Wear protective gear, including gloves and masks, to prevent exposure to contaminants. Begin the drying process by using fans and dehumidifiers to circulate air. Open windows and doors to promote ventilation if the outside conditions are safe. Remove damaged materials such as carpeting, drywall, and insulation. Clean and disinfect any affected surfaces to prevent mold growth. Inspect for hidden moisture in walls, ceilings, and floors. Use moisture meters to check moisture levels in materials. If mold is present, follow proper remediation procedures to remove it safely. Replace any damaged structural elements, ensuring they comply with local codes. Install new insulation and drywall as needed, sealing all seams properly. Reapply paint and flooring to restore the aesthetics of the area. Conduct a final inspection to ensure everything is dry and safe. To complete the process, maintain documentation for insurance claims and future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.